We just arrived in our Airbnb. Literally still got my bag on. And whoa, we've upgraded. We're having a little, we've splurged a little since we're just here for 2 nights, laying over, waiting for our flight to New York. This place is super cute. Let me show you around. So as soon as you come in, you've got this nice big kitchen. Oh my gosh, so much space. This kitchen's like bigger than our entire apartment in Mazatlan. Then you come in here and you have the dining room all set up here. What do we got here? Little hand sanitizer situation, earplugs. And then you carry on into the nice little living room. We got a little balcony here, looking out on San Luis Potosí. We are in Roma Norte. Oh, this is like a little thing here. Try not to make you all sick. How do I get out? I have no idea, but the balcony looks out onto the thing. We're gonna try and get out here. I guess it gets hot, so you can have these. Literally the one I didn't open is the one that you use to get out. Get a nice chair. Oh my gosh, it's so long. You have here, it goes all the way down here. So obviously it goes into the bedroom as well, which is pretty nice. Let's see the bedroom. So the one that has the balcony, which is here, is this huge big bed and this incredible closet. How much per month for this place? This is cute. Has its own bathroom in here. Oh my goodness. This apartment is so much bigger than I thought. It's even got a shower in here. A nice big shower head. This apartment is 2-bedroom. I tried to find one similar to this that had 1 bedroom, but it was only $55 a night, which is more than we usually spend when we come to Mexico City. But like I said, we wanted to splurge, have a nice comfy place to be before we flew early in the morning. And now we're walking across to the other bedroom. And oh, this is the laundry room. There's actually like a washing machine, which is also a big plus before you fly. In here, you've got like almost a second living room. This is insane. If you're traveling with like 2 people or your family, like here's the TV setup, internet. This is the main bathroom, obviously. Again, a nice big shower, huge mirror, plenty of things. Smells kind of nice. And then here we have obviously the other bedroom, which I think we'll take because these don't face the road. Oh, it's so so nice. Big closet. Wow. As always with the Airbnbs that we stay in, I will link below in the description so you guys can check it out if you want. But I'm so excited. This is so plush and relaxing for like $50 a night. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal. Huge thing for internet. Nice big kitchen so we can cook some healthy food while we're staying here. Mexico City is sort of in the red at the minute. Although it's not technically in the red, there's sort of an emergency stay home order. So we're gonna head to the grocery store, get some things to cook, and just stay in and catch up on some emails probably before we put that out of office on for the holidays. But yeah, oh my god, I love this, so cute. Look at this, I just saw. Luggage parking, it says. So cute. So yeah, we'll have a sleep tonight. I'll let you know the bed comfort and how quiet it is in the morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh, it's so fresh out. We just went to Forte Bread and Coffee for some coffee and perhaps a pastry for later. Oh, it's so quiet, you guys. We're in the middle of... Okay, there's a motorbike. What I was gonna say is we're in the middle of Roma Norte, and it's so quiet. We slept like absolute babies last night because the back room is just perfection. It's dark, it's quiet. There was not a sound. It was incredible. I feel so refreshed, and the bed is so comfortable. Super thick, comfy, like comforter, and then the pillows as well. Like, might prolong our stay. Skip our flight to New York. They're having a snowstorm anyway, so. Oh, can't recommend this place enough. So great. We cooked in the kitchen last night as well. The kitchen has pretty much everything you need for cooking. There's loads of pots and pans. Everything's relatively new, which is always nice. And yeah, just so cozy here. So are there any negatives to this apartment? I would say the only thing that comes to mind, and that we've noticed now after being here for about 24 hours, is that this area by the balcony is really like the only place for natural light. So this is pretty common in every apartment in Mexico City, and I'm sure in lots of cities around the world, especially at this time of year when the sun doesn't get super high and you're really just kind of living off that winter sun. It's not particularly bright for the majority of the day, especially if you're at the back of the apartment in the bedroom or in that area where the TV is. But it's not really been that big of an issue. Obviously, if you're coming here as a visitor, you'll no doubt be out and about anyway, or be sitting on this balcony having some coffee and stuff. And sitting in this room is really nice and bright. And then throughout the day, it's about 2:30 now. It lights the rest of the apartment, including the kitchen and stuff. And there's lots of lights in the apartment, which we didn't have in our Escandon place, if you saw that apartment tour. But this place has tons and tons. There's lights on the ceilings. There's light fixtures in every room. There's lamps. So there's no feeling like there's not enough light. There's just not a ton of natural light. So yeah, I thought I would let you guys know about that. But otherwise, we have been so happy here. We've absolutely loved this apartment. I'm so glad we picked it. And it's been such a good location. If you know San Luis Potosí in Roma Norte, it's super centrally located. You can walk to Alvaro Obregón, which is sort of the main street. We've walked to get coffee this morning, and we've walked even into the centro to pick up a few last minute Christmas presents. So yeah, you're so well located in this part of town. It's my favorite neighborhood, as most of you already know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little apartment tour. Like I said, I will link below in the description box so that you can check it out on Airbnb for yourselves. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.